Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Yes, AI is coming for your job. Yes, it's scary. So today let's talk about why every developer, even you, needs to start embracing AI like it's your new best friend or your future boss. This isn't a what if, it's a right now. AI is already writing code, fixing bugs, explaining errors, writing tests, and occasionally roasting your variable names. If you're still acting like it's 2015 and copying everything from Stack Overflow, congrats, you've already been using AI. It just wore a human disguise back then. And look, using AI tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT isn't cheating. It's just optimized laziness, and I say that with love. You're still the one telling the AI what to build. You're still debugging, adjusting, and deciding what's good enough to ship and what needs to be thrown into the fire. AI is your pair programmer, but this one doesn't judge you for writing spaghetti code at 3 AM while eating cereal. And you know what's really exhausting? Writing boilerplate code, googling the same error 14 times, manually converting arrays into objects for the 57th time. You didn't sign up to become a code monkey, you signed up to build cool stuff. AI helps you skip the repetitive nonsense and focus on actually solving problems. That's the goal, right? Unless your dream is rewriting the same for loop until retirement. Okay, but you might be asking, what about job security? Yeah, I know the fear. If AI can code, why do they need me? Well, let me ask you this. If Photoshop exists, why do we still hire designers? Because tools don't replace people. They replace people who don't know how to use tools. The devs who survive and thrive in the next 10 years will be the ones who know how to use AI to 10x their output, not the ones who sit around ranting about how back in my day we used Vim and pure logic. Alright, grandpa? But here's the hard truth. In 2 or 3 years from now, using AI tools is going to be the bare minimum, like using version control for example, or washing your hands before lunch. Please do that, by the way. AI will be built in your IDE, your terminal, your toaster, so if you wait until it's mandatory, you're already behind. Okay, so what should you do right now? Well, start small, fire up your editor and let AI autocomplete something basic. Got a curse function from 2020? Paste it in. Ask AI what it does, prepare for emotional damage. Need documentation? Let AI write it. You'll thank it later, probably. Out of ideas? Brainstorm with it, even if you end up building a weather app that also tracks your mood. So the conclusion is pretty simple. AI is not the enemy. Your refusal to adapt, well, that's the real villain. You don't have to become a machine learning guru overnight, but you do have to stop pretending like this is not happening.